So here I'm discussing about the how to promote the mobile apps. This is called two apps will be there. One is called Android, nothing but Play Store. Apps nothing but iTunes Store. It's called iOS and iPhone. Is it clear? Now I am going to the way option called is campaign. So create a new campaign. The app campaign name is called Universal App Campaign. Now here, see Universal App Campaign nothing but you can promote for iOS or Android or iOS. I'm setting for Android. I can promote for that Cricket. Any apps are there? Cricket? No apps are there. See, just now. And search for cricket games. This is. See here. So what is I'm promoting for? So I'm taking for an example, what is the option call is World of Cricket. This is one of the app. So here I'm setting for Android. Now click for continue. Now what is not? Campaign name. Cricket app. Now here is showing for the 4 text ads. Each will be character will be 25 characters. How many characters? 25. Now here, just look. Pre-install. Pre-credit points. Unlimited overs. Exceeded by the unlimited overs. Nothing up to 50 overs. Nothing but 50 overs up to. See here. Exceeded by any option like that. Free coupon. Nothing but cheat codes like that. How to hit the 6 like that. Pre-install, free credit points, unlimited overs, or free coupons. Now, what is that? Promoted by the video. Now select here cricket game. I'm searching for video here. So we can add by up to 20 videos, 20 images. We can add by using with this option. Look here, this is my ad. The ad will show you with the 4 steps. This is called Google search, display network, on video right side, like this. Now will be on YouTube, skip ad, nothing but our video. Or last one is Google Play Store. When you open the Play Store, ad will show by the top when searching for cricket game. Now, just here, I'm searching for video here. Let's go to here. If you not search that one, just go to cricket game. Take this one. Copy this URL. Done. This is my video. See this video. What's that? Skip ad. Why are you showing for skip ad? More than 6 seconds. Now here, what is that? image. Please write down the support image sizes. Image sizes. I'll show the screen one by one here. Please write down sizes here. 750 by 100. 750 by 200. 750 by 300. 240 by 400. 980 by 120. 930 by 180. 250 by 360. 580 by 400. Seven fifty by 100 and 200 and 300 and 240 by 400, 980 by 120, 930 by 180. How to make the images using Canva? We can use a custom image also. When you can open for canva.com. So yeah, right now I'm not adding any images here. If you need any HTML code like image template, we already discussed in email market time. You can get the image template for HTML file. You can upload the code by here itself. You code by using with your desktop. Where? Desktop. Nothing but HTML5 code. Now, what is that? Location. I prefer only for all countries. Previous I'm targeted for India and Hyderabad. Now I'm targeted for the all countries. Why? Because I'm promoting my game, not for only for particular one location. I'm promoting for my game using with the Android app. Now here, what is that? Language selection. What is that? All languages. Now, campaign optimization. What is that? Install. Nothing but this is called CPI. Please write down. Mobile apps, nothing but CPI and CPA. Cost per action and cost per install. Cost per action or cost per install. We always select by the CPI. Cost per install. So target user is nothing but all users. Why? I'm promoting for my app will be all users who are searching with the cricket. Now here, the install value will be there. In-app action will be there. That's called CPA. It's not working for CPA. Now working only for CPI. Now all users you select by the manual, but not select the manual action. You can select by only for all users. What is that? But nothing but total budget each day. I'm fixing for 500. First campaign I'm fixed by 70,000 for 1 day view. Second I'm fixed by the 1,000. Now will be only for 500. Now, what is that? Target cost per install. Each click install, how much you charge? What's the charge? 1 rupee. Total how much clicks will be done? 500. I'm clicking for 10 rupees. How many clicks? 50. I'm giving the 100. How many clicks? 5 clicks. So I'm giving the only for 2 rupees. Each click they charge for 2 rupees. What is my daily budget is? 500. Here, don't forget the deliver type. 2 types, standard and accelerator. If you fix for standard, they can charge for the very slow budget. Accelerator, they quickly amount will be done. They're showing for the fast traffic. I'm not looking for fast traffic. I'm looking for the awareness and reach. I'm looking for impression and clicks also. Nothing but install also. One is called brand awareness and installs. Both. Now here. What my bidding price is? 2 rupees. Now, start date and end date. You can fix by up to. I fix end date is 18. How many days running for? 1 day. That is called 24 hours. Now here, location people. Please write down this important one. Include and exclude. People in or who show interested in your target location. First option. Second option is people in your target location. Nothing but only target by your location only. Second option. Third option. People searching for your targeted location. What is searching nothing but games. What location nothing but India, maybe only Hyderabad. And give the all countries. But always preferred by the first option. Target is. And bound state purpose, we can fix play exclude for same option. Except, suppose they're searching for snooker game. They're showing for cricket game. Is correct? So they're searching for relevant search only. That is for second option. Exclude. The two target here is very important. People in or who show interest and who target the location. Three options. One is location. Second one is a category wise. Third will be called interest wise. Now, what is that? Save and continue. So compare the all campaigns is very easy campaign, but very it will be hard. Images part. If you add the custom images, you can make the image by the Canva, upload by up to 20 images. Don't forget here. Very important topic is when you add the campaign time, they give you the 4 lines will be there. Each description will add by 25 characters. Complete for 100 characters divided by the 4 lines. Description 1, 2, 3, 4. We add by 20 videos, 20 images and HTML 5 code accepted. If you don't have a video, we can capture by the your website HTML5 upload by your app also. They're showing your ad. Ad types. Search, display network, YouTube, Play Store. Here, search nothing but Google search engine and Google network nothing but which website approved by Google AdSense. I'll show your ads. Just I'm open for this website southindianews.com. Which website approved by the Google AdSense? They show by the display network. I show the sample here. This is one example. See this. This is called display ad. Nothing but here on display network. Which website approved by the Google AdSense? Show our ad into that website. Now, this is one ad, 2 ad, 3 ad, 4. I'm always using for the prime number for Amazon. So they're showing for prime ad here. When you refresh, ad will be changed. Now refresh for my same browser. See, it's change. Amazon App Store. Now will be different. So if you go to any page, now go to this page. Now ad will be changed. Each page, ads will be changed. The first ad. Second, why they're showing for? This is the ad mob. This is called Adwords. Ads will be there. This is called GIF ads. They're showing for 10-second ad or 5 to 10 seconds. Scroll down. One ad. See, changing ad. So clear? Every page ad will be changed. This is called 400 by 600, 600 by 800. Ads will be like this. Now clear? This is called display network. Now what is that? YouTube. You do nothing but in-stream ad. Nothing but skippable and non-skippable video. We are adding for 20 videos. They show as a ad. Just you can go to any game. One time showing the ad close. Sometimes they show the video also. Sometimes they show the GIF image also. They're scrolling for 5 to 6 slides. They close automatically. These are the type of ads. Display, video, like that. And they show that in the footer ad will be continued run by. This is called search ads with the display. Text ads, banner type ads. Is it clear? This ad I'm clicking for save and continue. So, this is a campaign setting, this is a review setting. Review nothing but my budget and My each click cost. What the cost will be? 2 rupees. What my budget is 500. So test ideas is 4 done. Each character will be 25. Image will be 0 and not adding any images. Video file will be 1. HTML file will be 0. You can add by HTML5 code if you need it. Now what's that? Continue to campaign. What's that? Cricket app. What's that? What's showing here? We already discussed 3 options: CPV, CPI, CPM, CPA. CP nothing but cost per action. Now clear? If you no need to campaign running, just click for pause. This is called our campaign created by the mobile apps purpose. Not only we can promote for the Android, we can promote the iOS, but at a time we can't promote the multiple apps. We can promote only for one app at a time only.